Let's talk about these Aurora Borealis dragons. Check it out. These are pictures taken of the Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights are gases burning off in the atmosphere, and people are taking pictures of what look like ethereal animals. This one looks like a swan. What you're seeing is known as the Northern Lights, and these people are just witnessing these specter animals in these pictures. Like, that looks like a bird. They're known as Aurora Borealis dragons, and funny enough, it reminds me of the name Ouroboros.